Everybody, okay, so this video here is going to go over how does the customer go about placing the order and viewing the progress of that order. So this would be the customer's dashboard when they log in through that URL, and they can view all their different stores. You see here on this one here, for my example here, I've got 2 different stores. All right, so again, we can go from the dashboard here and we can just click on restock, and it's going to do a restock for the Marks number 12. Same thing over here from the orders page, Marks number 12, we can click on new order from here. So you can do it from either place. Custom order, restock order, do it from here, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to go from the orders page and do it. So I'm going to do Marks number 12, new order. And I'm just going to, this one here, I'm just going to do a restock. Okay, so automatically it brings up the Marks number 12 and the address, and they can put in the requested date. And I'm just going to put in the Tuesday, and I'll just mark here, deliver ASAP. And restock. Okay, so right there it's confirming that that order has been sent to the portal, not directly to the CoolRunningSoftware.biz, it's going to the portal. Okay, so that's one. So you can see right there it is pending. I'm going to do another one here, but this time here I'm going to switch over to Marks number 13, and this time here I'm just actually going to go to the dashboard and I'm going to click on custom order from here. And this is the items that are assigned to that store. So I'm doing a custom order. So this one here, they're saying they want to do 50 of those, and I'm going to say they do 100 of these. Okay, and down here we can specify the delivery date again. So I'm going to take this for the 7th, and I'm just going to say deliver exact order. And you can see up here it's kind of giving them a subtotal. Okay, so that order's in the systems here. So you can see there that one's pending. If I switch over to Marks number 12, see there's another pending order. And you can see all these other orders that they have. These are automated orders that are already in the system. So the customer can see what they have coming already in the system. So now let's switch on over to the Cool Running portal here, and I'm just going to do a quick little refresh here. All right, so right now I've had 29 orders already through my testing, because I've actually been testing with 2 different accounts, 2 different emails, and all those orders are coming in. So basically all your customers that you're using the portal, all the orders are going to come inside here. And you can see here I've got 2 pending orders and open tickets and things like that. So here's the orders that I just did. Now if I want to send those over to Cool Running, all I got to do is just click on it, approve the order. Okay, so that order's been approved, and this one here is just a restock. But what I'm going to do with this one here is I'm actually going to reject it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on reject. And down here I already have a couple reasons in there. And any reason I put in, I can add new reasons in there. I'm just going to say that not enough for an order, and reject. All right, so that's done. So now let's go back over here and see what happens for the customer. Now emails are getting sent out on this stuff. So you can see right here, this one's rejected. And there's a reason right there. It tells them why I had to reject the order. And I could have put in, reject the order, whatever, please call the office for more details, reach out to the customer directly, whatever I want to do. But right here I'm saying I'm not putting that order into my Cool Running. It could have been even like there's already an order in play. And we already have an order for you, so this isn't just going to be an additional order. Whatever reason that you have to reject the order. All right, going back to the dashboard, let's switch over to the other store. Okay, so let's click on those orders, and you can see right here that there it is right there. This is the one I just put in, and I click on it right there, and I can actually view the order. All right, so now let's go over to Route Builder and see what this looks like inside Route Builder. So in here to Route Builder. Got to unlock it. Okay. All right. So here's the order right here. That's the order I just put in. And you can see right here there's an icon indicating that that's where it came from. I can double click on it and I can view whatever's there. There's the exact order. And from here I can actually just click and drag and move that directly onto the screen and publish. All right, so now the customer on their end, what are they going to see? So I'm just going to go back here to my orders and refresh this here. Now they're seeing that the order has actually been routed. And finally, if the sale gets completed, they'll see inside their portal that that the actual order has been completed. Okay, so that's pretty much a brief overview of what the customer is going to see and how it might interact with the portal itself, viewing all the different orders, and then finally, and as you can see, there's a rejected, and finally how it falls inside to the Cool Running Route Builder screen. All right, so if anybody has any questions, let me know. Thank you.